This is IELTS speaking part 2 cue card. So I'm giving a cue card. You have to talk 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Your topic is describe a hotel that you know. You should say where this hotel is, what this hotel looks like, what facilities this hotel has, and explain whether you think this is a nice hotel to stay in.
Okay, my favorite hotel is Hotel Liakat, and it is situated in Gazipur, and it has a lot of facilities to enjoy a lot of things. First of all, I want to say you that Hotel Liakat is always prefer neat and clean. You cannot find a piece of dirty in this hotel because the hotel manager is a so respected person, and it is, you know, that it is a governmental hotel, and government also pay a lot of money to in this hotel to develop this hotel for the foreigner and the chief ministers. And secondly, I want to mention you that there is a resource where you can do a lot of things. In the morning, you can find a lot of birds chirping in that hotel because you find a lot of garden inside of this hotel. And secondly, there is a lot of houses with a lot of facilities, such like soil made which is absolutely made with soil, a house with a lot which is absolutely made with glasses, and so on. So you can, if you want to go a good hotel, I think that there is no second option who can beat with Hotel Liakat. And there is a lot of facilities like spa and swimming pool, gym, and other and so on. Thank you.
Okay, তুমি অলরেডি 11 বার লট অফ বলেছো এই একটা কিউ কার্ডে, মানে 1.5 মিনিটের কথাবার্তার মধ্যে। সো লট অফ ছাড়াও তুমি জানো যে যেহেতু তুমি ভালো স্পিকার, কি আরও ডিফারেন্ট কি ওয়ার্ড ইউজ করা যায়, বিভিন্ন ফ্রেজে কথা বলা যায়, প্যারাফ্রেজ করে বলা যায়, এটা তোমাকে বাসায় বসে প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে, তোমার সমস্যা তুমি সলভ করো। হ্যাঁ, লট অফ ছাড়াও অনেকভাবে কথা বলা যায়।